I saw something written on the wall in a bathroom one day. Someone wrote on the wall, and I'll never forget this. It says, "What if the cure for cancer was trapped inside the mind of a kid who can't afford an education?" You know, C3 has always, in my mind, always been about engaging the kids who otherwise wouldn't get exposure to this. C3 is a way to get African American young people engaged and excited about technology. Not the consumer side of technology, the creator side of technology. And I want to engage them to the tools, you know, that creates the technology that we use each and every day. What I've found is that one way to really engage kids to the possibilities and get them excited about technology is not necessarily just found in the classroom portion of it, or even in them just coding. We just believe just that little approach, the difference in our approach, really gets kids excited and really draws out the ones who really want to do this for a living, and hopefully it will change their life. We've been doing C3 for about 4 years now. When I think about where we are today from then, I have to chuckle, because I literally begged a couple parents to let me take their kids for a Sunday and teach them some coding. And we started with 3 kids out in a park in Riverside. And big thanks to Mayor Rusty Bailey, who gave us permission to launch rockets in the city limits. And fast forward, 4 years later, 70 plus kids at C3. Obviously we're growing, but to see our projects get more intricate and get more detailed, we thought it would be cool if we had the kids come in and build robots. We separated the kids in 2 teams. We had kids ranging from 7 all the way up to 18. The younger kids were working on some simpler robots. The middle-aged kids were working on something that's a little more advanced, and the older kids were working on something that's obviously one of the more advanced robots that we have. They literally are building their own robots from scratch. And another kid instructor is teaching them how to do that. And so what we do is we get a group of kids that are the same age as the kids that we invite to C3, and we train them throughout the year to become instructors at C3. So they all, not only did they get to work on something that was part of, something within their, their ability, they were part of a bigger team where they're working with kids of older ages to all kind of win, to win and race against another team. That's probably one of the things I'm most proud of, is seeing young people learn this to then turn around and teach other young people how to do it. And I just really believe if we teach our young people how to code and how to create and how to develop technology, we're gonna see a new type of technology come into this world. I've often thought about C3 being the beginning of a pipeline, because what C3 really is we're the beginning of that pipeline. We want to get these kids excited about technology. We want them to really buy into the subculture and really get connected with technology from a developer standpoint in a very special way. And that we would, kind of solidify our space as putting out kids who now are excited about not just consuming technology, but creating it. We have an obligation, I believe, we each have an obligation in this world to use our God-given talents and gifts to not just further our own agendas, but further the lives and life experiences of those around us. And for me, this was it.